What do you get when you buy fake Samsung Galaxy Buds from Wish.com? Let's find out. Ooh, they are blue like I ordered. True wireless headset, charge box, earphone, split wireless design. This is very professional hardware. Independent. I'm proud of you. Look at the difference between what you're actually seeing and what's printed on the box directly next to it. Should have got an actual knife. I don't want to destroy the packaging, but I will if I have to. These are based on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, which generally people agree are not very good. Oh my god, a cable. I'm gonna have a heart attack on the day that we actually have USB-C in here. It's a lot to ask, I know. Not very good, but not the worst. There's no way this shipped with power. We got some light. Oh my god! That actually falls right into place. It's not gonna get me too far. If you look really carefully, you can see, whoa! It actually has lights! It says connected. They're really in my ears. I would run with these. I have to admire the ergonomics of the beans. This is way better than it should be. They're not good. Like, the sound quality is not good. I'm screaming because I have it up loud. When I got those fake AirPods, the biggest thing that I compared it to is that it's better than the headphones you'd find in the checkout counter at Walmart. And these are even better than those. And do those have RGB? Do those have LED lights built in? No. Checkmate. It gets credit for not even just being a physical button, like that's touch control. All that to say, they're not great, but they're punching way above their weight class. Follow for more tech videos about things that don't matter, and check out my Patreon if you want to help support the show. This is insane.